this is a waterproof mattress pad. So this fights out the dust mites, protects against bacteria, protects against bed bugs, and keep your mattress safe and clean. This is how it comes in the box. Okay, and as you can see, it's deep pockets and all side protections. Okay, so it comes with two of them. Okay, on the back, on the box, inside of the box, it comes with two. That way, while you're washing one, you can utilize the other one. We're gonna go ahead and install the first one over here. One of those. This one is a king size. They have all the sizes. So as you can see, it's very deep. It's perfect for deep pockets. Very easy to install and put together. And that's it.